Hello everyone, welcome to Urbanscape Bangalore, and in this episode we will be making holes, and the material of choice, as you can already see, will be wood, and more specifically bamboo. So most of my making holes videos have received a lot of traction, and I guess it stems from probably a very basic gardener's instinct that even I possess of making holes in anything that you think can house your favorite plants. So I got this bamboo planter already cut and tied from Amazon. There are many gardeners out there who are quite industrious, who would even saw a dead bamboo trunk and convert it into a planter. So if you're one of them, then kudos to you. But since this one came with no holes, and I hate to see planters having no holes, I decided to make some of my own with a drilling machine. Now, why a drilling machine? I'll tell you later. So mostly there are two types of bamboo planters, one the horizontal one like this and the other the vertical ones. So for the horizontal one, you can add a hole or two just below the portion where the wood was carved out. Take a drill bit you feel is appropriate for wood and drill away, but make sure your hands are not close to the drilling area and you're wearing a safety glass to protect your eyes. Because mishaps can happen, like in this case where the rope was at an angle where I was drilling and the rope got entangled into the drill bit, and this could have easily hurt someone. So I reiterate that when you're using a drilling machine, please be very careful. So with that initial shaky start, we managed to create two holes for this horizontal bamboo container. Likewise, for the vertical ones, the holes must be at the bottom like this. Now please don't try this at home. I used my hand here for support and started drilling. Fortunately, nothing happened and I got a hole out of it, but of course, it is dangerous as you can see, so I quickly thought of another solution where you don't have to use your hand to hold this. But use a container like this one to keep the bamboo in place, because the vertical one does not stand on its own like the horizontal bamboo. And without the use of hand for support, I managed to drill a hole in the second bamboo container. So you may now ask me, why a drilling machine and why not some other technique? So I believe a screwdriver and a hammer may work, but you may get unwanted cracks and the hole may not come out as smooth as this. And it might take more time than this, because like terracotta, you can't soften the surface with water. You can always correct me if I'm wrong if you've tried that method though. I will also in the future maybe try using simple tools to make holes in bamboo, but for those of you who have a drilling machine and can do this safely, please try this method. For the others, there is always another day, another bamboo container, so don't worry. Now I've planted these containers and I will show that to you in another episode. So with this, we've come to the end of yet another hole making episode of Urbanscape Bangalore, and I really hope you've enjoyed this program. Additionally, follow me on Instagram and Facebook for further updates, and the links are given below. Thank you for watching, and until we meet again, a very warm goodbye.